Khadc TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapao. Hamokam hilaban pun orlong e kathong ko jongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council haga Khadc tarik ujilio arhajar arpun riu kala Mynjur ya ka Mang Tyngka na kabentau snem arhajar arpun riu arhajar arpunyo haga singikut jongga dorbar liur. Ya ka Mang Tyngka lawan ra da u executive member uba kmi ya ka tanat Tyngka uba saibor lang warba haga ba ka Mang pelut pisa kalong arspa khatsau point riu po klur Tyngka kadba ka jingyo lum pisa kalong arspa khatsau point saufulai klur Tyngka kabapan pau ya ka jing Duna pisa kabakot khan riu point khandai pu arlak Tyngka.
Mr. Chairman, sir, on the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, I beg to move that the sum not exceeding 7,43,63,230 and the grant number 5, Administration of Justice and Judicial Department, rupees 10,20,96,620 under grant number 6, Legislative Department, rupees 71,46,090 under grant number 7, Education Department, rupees 130 crores 37,83,750 under grant number 8, Civil Works and Development Department, rupees 6 crores 39,31,430 under grant number 9, Enforcement Scheme for Protection of Tribal Land and Interests, be granted to the member in charge to defray the charges which will come in course of payment during the period ending 31st March 2027.
Motion move. I put the question before the House that the grant number 5 to grant number 9 be granted to the member in charge to defray the charges which will come in course of payment during the period ending 31st March 2027. Kayeng kapediang. The motion is carried and grant number 5 to grant number 9 is passed. EM in charge, please move for passing of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council budget estimate for the year 2026-2027.
Mr. Chairman, sir, on the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, I beg to move that the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council budget estimate for the year 2026-2027 amounting to rupees 214 crores 60 lakhs 9,410 be now passed.
Motion move is that the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council's budget estimate for the year 2026-2027 amounting to rupees 214 crores 60 lakhs 9,410 only be passed now. Kayeng kapediang. So the motion is carried and the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council budget estimate for the year 2026 to 2027 amounting to rupees 214,000 crores 60 lakhs 9,410 has now been passed.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.